Make Instagram highlights from camera roll. To create an Instagram highlight directly from your camera roll, you must first add the desired photos or videos that you want to add to your Instagram stories. Highlights cannot be pulled directly from your phone's gallery, but they must exist as a story first. So all you have to do is simply add a story and you're good. Now, in order to create a new highlight, simply tap on the story that you have posted, then tap on the three vertical dots at the end. Now here you'll find a highlight option. Simply tap on highlight and you can add to highlights. Simply give it a name and then tap add. Now if you want to view on profile, simply tap on view on profile. Now wait for some second for it to load, and it has been loaded. Now when you tap on it, you'll be able to see the photo. In this way you can easily add highlights. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.